been a long time we've not updated you how to do one or two activity on this channel. Welcome once again to Sub YouTube channel. Today we want to talk about all rights ADX approval. Wow, this is incredible. What you need to do, two things or three is involved. One, a contract form that you need to submit. Two, WhatsApp. Three, mail. These are the three major things we want to talk about in this video. Okay, this is the earning from 2nd to 8th of March via ADX, all rights specifically. Then what you need to do first, if you want to get this approval, what you need to do is to come to this contact form. Okay, ADX account onboarding process. email account will be shared 80/20 revenue, shared non-negotiable. Your account request is subjected to disapproved based on the details you provided. They ask you of your country, your email, your name, your phone number, your URL, but that is not certain any URL because you can map it out to show on any ads or any WordPress website or blogspot. Okay, share the email ID for invitation. Invitation will be shared only once. Make sure you provide correct details. Yes, this invitation will be sent. If you check the email, you've not seen the invitation, go to the ad manager account and click on admin. When you click on admin, you enter the account like this. You click on the admin. Once it open, if you don't know how to enter the ad manager and accept your request, sometimes you not see the request on your email. Okay, so you just log into the ad manager account, click on the admin. After clicking on the admin, a different interface will pop up like this. From the admin, you see multiple customer management, that is MCM. That is where you will see your company. Okay, that's notwithstanding, you should not be bothered. You see, this has been approved. All right, approved. You see it there, loud and clear. You just touch it. If you want to reject it, you just touch it and reject it. But don't do that except you don't want to do business with them. This is how the email also look like on your phone. If it's sent to you via your phone, I open my Edge browser. Come on. As I open my Edge browser to my mail, how the mail will come in. So yes, request for network delegation. Hello. All right, has requested rather, I beg your pardon, that you provide it access to your network. Then my name, my network code. Then I need to click accept. After accepting this, you can now start setting up your ad code on your WordPress website, even if the WordPress website is not approved by AdSense. Or the second step, okay, you go, don't worry about the link, to sign up. You go to your mail, you see ad manager or all right email, ads connection at allrights.com.br, partners. Another one is partners at allright.com.br. BR simply means Brazil. There's other, that's the two official email of All Right. Then you can WhatsApp them on +55 4188209354. This what you text them. I am a publisher. I want a GAM request form. All right. Here is my details. Your site, which is your domain, your GMA email, which is the same email of your AdSense account or your ad manager. Send it to them. Then don't forget your GMA network code, which is your Ad Manager Network code located on the top left hand corner of your Ad Manager. Look at it here. Let me show you. This is just the 3 step that you can use to get your all right approval. But if you have any difficulty trying to get this all right approval, what you need to do, DM me on my WhatsApp to get it done for you. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to share this video, like this video, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.